have been sick for last 4 days, and I've been staying in this room for last 4 days. Haven't been out, haven't seen anybody. I'm about to go crazy. Well, luckily, I have Brian there with me this whole time. I was invited to this golf function tonight, but obviously I couldn't go because I'm still not 100% yet. I'm bored, so I think I will make a video showing you guys how to solve the Rubik's Cube. When I learned to do it, I did a lot of research on YouTube. Most of the video lost me in the first minute. I don't understand why the algorithm, why you do that, but all you need to know is just a few algorithms, and then you memorize a few of it, and then you'll be able to do it. Okay guys, I'm pretty sure I messed up this cube pretty well. So first thing first, we need to solve the white face. To do that, we need to first solve the cross 4 and then the corner 4. So to solve the cross 4, we need to look for the bottom cross. So that's the white, and we need to find the orange. So white, orange, orange. And then we turn this up. And then white, blue, blue, we turn this up. And white, green, green, turn this up. And then, okay, so there's a white here. We put this down, move to red, and then we move this back up, green, green, and then white, red, red, move up. That's the cross. For the corner, we need to look for the white on these corners. So there's one here, white, and the white the other side is orange. And orange on orange side is good. The algorithm is move away from the orange, down, move back, up, and solve one corner. And then there's one here. We put this down, move it away, put it back, and then white, orange again. So we put orange on the orange side, and then move away from the orange, down, put it back, put it up, and then we have white and green. We put the green on the green side, we move away from the green, down, back, up, and then we have a white here. Put this down, put the white away, put this up, and then, oh, okay, sorry. Okay, so we have white and red. Put the red on red, and then move the red away. Here we go. We got our white face. The second step is to do the second layer. So we need to be red, red, green, green, orange, orange, blue, blue. In order to do that, we need to look for the bottom cross. Okay, so put the red to red. The red, the other side is green, and that side is green. The algorithm is you put the green away from the green, down, back, up, and then put the red away from the red. Okay, so we have blue and red. Put the blue back to blue, and then red is on this side, and then we turn away from the red, down, back, up, turn away from the blue, down, up, and blue and orange. So So orange. Orange is on this side, orange down here. So we turn away from the orange, down, back, up. Turn away from the blue, down, back, up. And green, under the green is orange. So this side is orange, put away from orange, down, back, up. Go away from the green, down, back, up. Here we go, that's the second layer. And at last we need to solve the yellow face. If you have 3 yellow in the middle, that's awesome. So you just need to put it in this position. If you don't, you still use the same algorithm to perform so that you can get this. For now, we do that. Like the algorithm is thumb right, right up, top right, right down, top left, thumb left. And then we have the yellow cross. And then now we need to look for the same color on these sides. So now you have red and blue next to each other. Sometimes you have like red and something else on this side. You just need to do the algorithm one more time. But if it's already next to each other, then you put it on this position. Perform this algorithm. Up, top right, right, right down, top left, right up, top left, right down, top left. After that algorithm, you should have 4 same color on here. And then you need to look for the right color corners. And then there's only one right color, so red, blue, and yellow. We put the right color on the right bottom. And then you perform this algorithm. Left up, top right, right up, top left, left down, top right, right down, and then top left. Okay, so after you do that algorithm, this corner piece will get the right color. Once you have that, you always put the exact right color on this side, and then you perform another algorithm on this side. So you go right up, top right, right, right down, top left, right up, top left, right down. And then left up, top right, right, left down, top right, left up, top right, left down. So this will move these colors to the right position. You do one more time. Right up, top right, right, right down, top left, right up, top left, right down, left up, top right, right, left down, top right, left up, top right, left down. Voila! Yay!